Welcome to the another lesson. So if I click the sales channel here, simply click, we see online store, which is our store and it is our backend. If someone see my store, he can see like this our store. You see this is a default layout for our store. If you give this link for someone, he see your store like this. So how we will manage this? So if I click the online store, you automatically go through the themes. Here we can you set up our theme and edit or customize. If I scroll here, you see a basic interface like this. Our store, you can see here have the three dot. You just click here, you can see preview. You can rename your themes like this, any kind of name, and also have duplicate. We can duplicate our themes. Okay, this is for backup also, and you can download your current theme file. You can edit code and default theme content, and finally we can customize. So I will later will show you the customize. So Shopify have give you after creating a store, you can find a default theme which is called tone. If I scroll a little below, so you see here have popular free themes which is Dawn. We already have the Dawn installed and have Spotlight, Craft and Sense or Refresh. So if you click the visit theme store, so I will press Control and click. So I need it another new tab. So you can see here browse the all themes, and you can choose the filter option, free or paid have 237 and free have only 13. So I suggest you when you start your store, so you just start a free theme like this is paid version. You can start your practice. So in this video we will cover just theme customization. We are not going to the using free theme. We are going to try another free theme option. So if I choose another theme, suppose click the here Spotlight. This is Spotlight theme. So this video I will show you just how you manage your theme and customize this. So this is our Dawn theme. So if I click here customize option, we are fine. We can manage our interface. We can attach our banner logo like this, all options. So this tutorial we are using Shrine theme. So next video I will show you how you can upload a new theme and customize your own store.